Hello everybody. Paano pag nagkaroon tayo ng technical issues sa pag-submit ng online compliance monitoring report? Kadalasan yan kapag ang inyong environmental compliance certificate ay manually issued, hindi talaga nare-recognize dyan sa online compliance monitoring report system. So kaya ang best thing to do ay magre-request tayo sa concerned EMB Regional Office na ma-encode yung basic information, lalong-lalo yung naka-reflect sa ating Environmental Compliance Certificate. Pwede tayong mag-request in writing at sa pagkakataong ito, I would like to share some sample template. This is not a prescribed template. Hindi ito prescribed ng DNR, sample lang ito. At kung hindi mo alam kung paano gagawin or paano ba ang content, ito yung pwede mong maging pattern. So, meron tayo ditong company letterhead at yung date. So, halimbawa ngayon, May 7, 2025. At itong pag-request ng encoding sa regional office ng EMB, naka-address syempre sa regional director. So, halimbawa, Honorable Robert Angelo Metin, siya ang regional director ng EMB Region 4A at yung address, 4th floor, PITX, Tower 2, Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City. At ang subject natin, letter of request for encoding of basic project and ECC information. Mga sample lang naman po ito. Dear Director Metin, warm greetings. Ano po ang content natin dito? This has reference to the technical issues encountered on the online submission of semi-annual compliance monitoring report due to unrecognized control number